What I'm about to show you is just how easy it is to install the MagMann 2x4 LED Troffer Retrofit Kit. First, turn off the power and remove the Troffer door. Remove the fluorescent lamps. Take out the ballast cover. Disconnect the in-AC power. Then take out the end caps. Finally, remove the ballast. Begin by positioning the magnetically backed LED strips to the Troffer body. Next, situate your magnetically backed driver. Now, secure the driver with a self-tapping screw. Reconnect the AC. Connect the driver to the LED strips. Replace the ballast cover. Put the door back in place, turn on the power, and there you have it. The 2x4 LED Magnetic Retrofit Kit by MagMann. For more information, go to MagMannLED.com.